Welcome to my channel. It's me, Nikki the Homemaker. Today we're going to be doing some food, and guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Hope you enjoy this video. I have 5 bone-in chicken thighs, and I'm just putting salt and pepper on both sides before I add it to the frying pan that I have heating right now with some oil to get it ready. I raised it to a medium heat now that they're browning. And I'm going to do 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I have all my vegetables here, the red potatoes, carrots, celery, corn, and all the seasonings that are going to be listed in the description area. I'm going to transfer these over to the crock pot. Once I put all my veggies in the crock pot, I am putting my 2 cups of chicken broth in there, along with my bouillon cube that you can see was crushed up in there. And all the seasonings that I had ready, I poured half on the veggies, and then I'm saving the other half to pour on top of the chicken thighs once I put them in there. So I'm placing my chicken thighs in the crock pot on top of the veggies to make sure the veggies stayed on the bottom. And I am going to squeeze 1 lemon, 1 fresh lemon in there on top of the chicken thighs. I should have took the seeds out first. Going on high for 4 to 6 hours. Nice and steamy. Whew. The corn with a knife a while ago, and it is soft. This chicken is cooked, and it's actually been 5 hours. See if this potato is ready. Oh yeah, beautiful. Is ready. Here it is. I'm gonna let it cool down so that I can enjoy it and eat it, but it smells so good. I tasted the broth. It was really good as well. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see all the videos I have coming up when you hit that notification bell. Have a blessed one, guys. See you on the next one.